Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is another quick and easy meal idea. This one is initially it's orange chicken, but I decided to actually because I do love the lemon flavor, so I decided to experiment what it would taste like if I substitute the orange for the lemon. Personally, I really love it, but it is actually sour for people who do not like the flavors of lemon. So super easy to make, but if you cannot support the flavors of lemon, I will just recommend stay away from lemon, use orange. But let's show you guys how to make it. For this lemon chicken, we're going to need, for the chicken, we're gonna need, here we have 2 chicken breasts that we've washed and cut into big pieces, salt and pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And here we have the juice of 2 lemons, but we're only going to need 1 tablespoon to marinate the chicken. The rest will be used in the sauce. And for the frying process, here we have 3 tablespoons of each. So 3 tablespoons rice flour, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 tablespoons regular flour, and about 100 milliliters of water. For the sauce, we have here 50 grams of brown sugar, a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we'll need some water with it as well. And for the spices here, we have 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon hot paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, and you can use more later on if you want. And to garnish it or to decorate, we're gonna need just some sesame. First step, in a bowl, we're going to put in the chicken breasts, the garlic cloves, salt, pepper, and about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. So now we're just going to mix that all together, and we're going to marinate it for about half an hour. We're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. We're going to make our batter for frying. So in there, we're going to add all the 3 flours. So this is cornstarch, rice flour, and lastly the regular flour. Now we're going to start adding in the water, and we're going to add it slowly till we get the right consistency, which is not too, we don't want it to be a dough, but at the same time we don't want it to be too thin, a liquid, so it should be in between. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. Now we're just going to take our chicken and we're going to coat it with the mixture, and we have this much water left, which we will use for the cornstarch later on to make the sauce. So we're just going to take our chicken and make sure to coat it really well in the flour mixture. So now to mix our sauce, I guess, we're going to add in the sugar, honey, next we're adding in the soy sauce, vinegar, spices, and lastly lemon juice. And you can substitute it for orange juice because typically it's done with orange, but I wanted to experiment with lemon. And we're just going to mix that all together. So we're just going to mix it and set it aside and move on to our next. So you just put oil on medium heat, and we're going to start frying them once the oil heats up. And we've dropped a piece there to test the oil. So now we're just going to drop our chicken in there, and you don't need to let them get golden brown because we will be double frying them. So as you can see, they've started to get partially golden brown. So now we're going to start taking them off the heat. So now we're going to let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes, and we're going to fry them a second. So it's been about 5 minutes, and now we have the oil heating up now. We're going to double fry it. We're going to fry the chicken for a second time. So now that it has heated up well, we're just going to add the remainder of our chicken. Now we're just going to wait for them to get golden brown. So as you can see, they've gotten nice and golden brown. So now we're just going to remove them. So now that we took them off the heat, we're just going to set them aside and move on to the next. So on medium heat, we're going to put in the sauce. So we're going to wait for it to boil a little bit, and while it does that, we're going to just add water to the cornstarch. And we're going to add a little bit until we get the desired consistency. So this is the consistency that I want. And if you find yours to be too thick, then just add water. If you find it to be too thin, then just wait for it to thicken. So now I'm just going to add the chicken. We're just going to mix that until we coat all the chicken with the sauce. So this is what they look like. We've garnished them with some sesame seeds, and as you can see, it is nice and golden brown. The color, it's a dark color, so you get that caramelization. It smells amazing, so let's try. The dark color is because we use soy sauce as well as the brown sugar, but let's try one. So personally, I really love the taste because I do love orange. Lemon, but the original recipe is orange, so I just did this to because I like lemon and I wanted to experiment what it would taste like with lemon. So I actually really like it because I love lemon, but I also you get the hint of sweetness and that acidity. But if you do not like lemon or you cannot support the flavors of lemon, I do not recommend trying it. Use the orange instead. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.